Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the victorious, the marching column of Azerbaijan Army. Pakistana Khosh Gelmasanes. Welcome to Pakistan, the contingent of armed forces of Azerbaijan. Yashasin Pakistan Azerbaijan. Birliye Wakkarda Shaleh. Long live Pakistan Azerbaijan unity and brotherhood.
Azerbaijan Army also carried out a successful 23-hour-long anti-terrorist operation in the year 2023, which speaks of their professionalism and valor.
आज़रबाईजान की मुसल्लह अफ़वाज के इस दस्ते की क़यादत कैप्टन और खान इस्माइलोव कर रहे हैं.
Ladies and gentlemen, when the flags of Azerbaijan and Turkey pass in front of you, you are requested to rise in your seats.
Ladies and gentlemen, Azerbaijan Army gained great victory in 44 days in the patriotic war.